I keep painkillers in my system cause I don't want no pain. Yeah, everything they get for me, but I'm still wanna blame. I hear voices in my head telling me I'm going insane. You can't take everything away from me and I'm still gonna be the same. You can't take this love away from me and I still will complain. Make sure they don't leak my autopsy. I'll be ashamed if they knew I died from this. Smoke my lungs, I'm a rushed up feeling. Made me feel away from my problems. I'm on a different planet. I get your head Brazilian. Your heart is worth a billion. Don't act, I know I need it. They're coding in my system. All about me, I know live addicted to the test. They got a nigga with a bullet hole right through his chest. They got a nigga with a girl breathing, now he's less. Some more nigga with a bar trying to spend his best. It seems like everything still work even when you did. Make sure they don't leak my autopsy. I'll be ashamed if they knew I died from this. They're into my lungs, up into my heart out. They're into my lungs, up into my heart out. Yeah. They're into my liver, into my eyes out. I keep painkillers in my system cause I don't want no pain. Yeah, everything they get for me, but I'm still wanna blame. I hear voices in my head telling me I'm going insane. You can't take everything away from me and I'm still gonna be the same. You can't take this love away from me and I still will complain. Make sure they don't leak my autopsy. I'll be ashamed if they knew I died from this.